Rain fell in thick sheets over the ruins of Hollow Creek. The town, once alive with laughter and neon lights, now belonged to the zombies. Eli gripped the rusted axe in his hands, every nerve in his body screaming as he stepped through the broken door of the grocery store. The shelves were empty, the air thick with rot, and the unmistakable stench of zombies. He heard it then, the low, guttural moan. A zombie shambled from the shadows, its jaw unhinged, flesh peeling from its face. Eli buried the axe in its skull. The zombie dropped, but the sound echoed, and more groans answered. 5, 10, maybe more. They poured in like water through a broken dam. Zombies with missing limbs, broken spines, and eyes that glowed with endless hunger. Eli ran, out into the storm, into the night. The streets crawled with zombies, some clawing at the pavement, others snarling from rooftops. The world was theirs now. He reached the church on the hill, hoping it was still a safe zone. Inside, candles flickered, and then he saw them, his brother, the priest, and 3 others, all standing perfectly still. Their eyes were empty. Eli stepped back, breath frozen in his throat. Too late. They screamed, but not human screams. They were zombies. The doors slammed shut behind him. Now he was locked in with the dead.